How to create a Deliveroo account. So if you want to create a Deliveroo account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, search for Deliveroo. And here on the first search, you will have deliveroo.co.uk. Click on that. And now it will take you to the website or the web page. And now to create an account, click on the upper right corner which says sign up or login. And here you can continue with your Facebook, or you can continue with your Google, or you can also continue with an email. So you have to enter your email address here. And after entering your email address, click on continue. And then you have to verify your phone number. And after entering your phone number, you will get a verification code on your phone number. Then you have to enter that verification code, and then you will create an account. So that's it guys, that's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.